The transition to USB-C is waiting for the majority of users. The latest source leak from the Apple supply chain indicated that the Lightning connector would be saved in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max. Apple fans believe this is a mistake, and companies should transfer the new iPhone to the USB-C connector following the iPad Pro 2018. Apple called for abandoning the Lightning connector in the iPhone 11. MacRumors Foreign Edition conducted a survey to find out which connector users want to see in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max. The survey showed that users are really waiting for the transfer of the iPhone to the USB-C connector. Immediately, 74% of those surveyed wished that in the following iPhone models, the Lightning connector was replaced by USB-C. Such a high interest in USB-C is understandable. USB-C connector will make the new iPhone compatible with many accessories and allow you to charge smartphones significantly faster. But most importantly, in this case, the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook will have an identical connector. Due to this, users will be able to charge all devices using a single charging adapter and cable.